Welcome to New Choice. Today we are going to learn some Malayalam words with the symbol Dirgham and their English meanings. The symbol Dirgham is using for long pronunciation. Ta, pa. Okay, let's learn the words. Para, rock, pata, cockroach, mala, necklace, manga, mango. Mambaram, mango. Pal, milk. Tara, a name. Taram, star. Kada, quail. Pava, doll. Chaya, tea. Chaya, resemblance. Maya, a name. Man, deer. Wal, sword. Wal, tail. Padaga, flag. Tamara, lotus. Vadaga, rent. Pavada, skirt. Bhasha, language. Pada, road. Padam, foot. Bharadam, India. Shandam, calm. Shasana, rebuke. Sadhanam, thing. Shastram, science. Sadharana, normal. Kananam, must see. Matam, change. Madam, hut. Manam, sky. Car, car. Talam, rhythm. Talam, plate. Tavalam, resting place. Margam, way. Madhavu, mother. Madalam, pomegranate. Navu, tongue. Naku, tongue. Palam, bridge. Papam, sin. Chatam, gem. Kaka, crow. Kate, wind. Kadu, forest. Kananam, forest. Tadagam, lake. Vayana, reading. Janala, window. Ganam, song. Atal, song. Daham, thirst. Danam, donation. Nasham, destruction. Nagam, snake. Naya, dog. Nadu, country. Nadi, nerve. Nari, woman. Nanam, shame. Palam, rain. Padam, lesson. Padam, field. Vaku, word. Namam, name. Vanam, sky. Akasham, sky. Pattalam, army. Vahanam, vehicle. Kaval, god. Mavu, mango tree. Pravu, pigeon. Taravu, duck. Sravu, shark.